Move over, ChatGPT and Gemini. There's a new AI in town and it's causing quite the stir. Meet DeepSeek, the Chinese AI assistant that just skyrocketed to the top of Apple's App Store, sending shockwaves through Wall Street and sparking a fiery debate about the future of AI dominance. Is this the start of a new era in artificial intelligence? Let's break it down. What's the buzz about DeepSeek? DeepSeek isn't just another chatbot, it's a game changer. Launched in 2023 by a Chinese startup, this AI powerhouse has quickly become the talk of the tech world. Here's why. App Store domination. On Monday, DeepSeek became the #1 free app on the iPhone store. That's right, it beat out TikTok, Instagram, and even your favorite mobile games. Wall Street panic. The rise of DeepSeek sent stock markets into a frenzy. Why? Because it's challenging the big players like OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, and Google's Gemini. Investors are sweating bullets as AI race heats up between the US and China. The brains behind DeepSeek. DeepSeek's CEO is no stranger to innovation. Before diving into AI, they co-founded Highflyer, one of China's top hedge funds specializing in AI-driven trading. Talk about a resume. In late 2023, DeepSeek dropped its first large language model and the tech world took notice. But things really got interesting last month when they unveiled the new AI model that's not only as powerful as OpenAI's ChatGPT, but also way more cost-effective. Why DeepSeek is turning heads? Here's what makes DeepSeek stand out. Cost efficiency. Training AI models usually costs a fortune. We're talking millions, but DeepSeek did it for less than $6 million, thanks to its smart use of NVIDIA semiconductors. That's a fraction of what US companies spend. Advanced reasoning skills. DeepSeek's latest model, R1, is a brainiac. It can solve complex math problems, rethink its approach, and even outperform similar models from OpenAI. Oh, and it's cheaper too. Global competition. DeepSeek's success is fueling the US-China tech rivalry. With China stepping up its AI game, the balance of power in the tech world could be shifting. Why Wall Street is freaking out? DeepSeek's rise isn't just a tech story, it's an economic one. US companies have been riding the AI wave for years, but now they're facing serious competition from China. Investors are worried that DeepSeek could disrupt the AI market, and that's why stocks are tumbling. What's next for DeepSeek? The future looks bright for this AI underdog. With its cutting-edge technology, cost-effective solutions, and growing popularity, DeepSeek is poised to become a major player in the global AI race. Will it dethrone ChatGPT? Only time will tell. So what do you think? Is DeepSeek the next big thing in AI, or is it just the beginning of a tech cold war between the US and China? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget, hit that like button if you're excited or scared about the future of AI.